Google just dropped some major updates for their VO2 video generation model, and honestly, it's getting even better than before. If you've been following AI video generation, you probably know that VO2 is already considered one of the best text-to-video models out there, and now it's got some impressive new features that make it even more powerful. Let's talk about what's new. First up, they've added inpainting capabilities. They demonstrated this with a pretty interesting example, removing a wire harness from someone floating in the air. While the demo might look a bit wonky, I mean, who needs to remove wire harnesses that often? The technology behind it is pretty impressive. They've also added aspect ratio conversion, letting you transform videos from 16:9 to 9:16 and vice versa. The results are surprisingly good. While you might notice some weird stuff like over-dramatic sky gradients, the ground movement looks natural, and it even maintains correct shadow positioning based on light sources. Another cool addition is camera controls. You can now add camera movements like panning and push-ins to your generated videos. While other platforms like Minimax's director mode have had similar features, it's great to see VO2 catching up with these quality of life improvements. Here's something really exciting. You can now extend your videos. Originally, VO2 gave you 8-second clips, but now you can add another 6 seconds, bringing the total to 14 seconds. They've also implemented Synthid, which adds an invisible watermark to identify AI-generated content. The video editing suite has gotten some nice upgrades too. You've got brushes, erasers, an invert option, box uploads, mask extraction, and even what looks like an instant green screen feature. Now, here's the really interesting part. All of this is available through Google's Vertex platform. While it might look intimidating at first, it's actually pretty user-friendly. Better yet, Google's offering $300 in free API credits when you sign up. But here's the kicker. Right now, if you're just generating videos through Vertex itself, not using the API, it's not even using those credits. People are generating multiple videos and images without seeing any costs. There is a small catch. Some of the new features like editing and camera controls require you to be on an allowed list. You'll need to fill out a Google form and hope you get access. But even without these features, the base VO2 model is incredibly powerful. I mean, people have made entire short films with it. One cool trick you can try is using Gemini 2.5 to help generate prompts. You can show it an image and ask it to create a VO2 prompt, and the results are surprisingly accurate at matching the context and character details. Just remember, this free access probably won't last forever. The best 4-letter F word in AI is free, but it rarely stays that way for long. So if you're interested in trying out one of the best video generation models available right now, head over to Google Vertex while the cookie jar is still open. What do you think about these new VO2 features? Are you excited to try them out? Drop a comment below with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the latest AI developments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.